Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tasmiya. In today's video, I'll be sharing on how to make this cowl drape dress using a fitted pattern. So if you're interested to know the pattern details, then keep on watching. Also, if you like the video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also, try the pattern. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So the patterns required are the dress sloper front, back, fabric for cowl drape and a basic sleeve sloper. I'll soon be sharing the pattern details on how to create this pattern from the basic measurements. But for today's video, it's just about the dress. So let's start. Using a darted dress sloper front, I have cut the fabric and lining material. In half the side of the fabric, that is on the left, I've considered here, cut the fabric twice the length. Going to be the drape. Take the end of the drape, make the pleats and stitch it on the shoulder line of the right side. I am pinning it up first so that it's easier and has uniform pleats, and then I'll be stitching. The back dress sloper is just cut as it is and there is no changes made in that. Once the front cowl drape is ready and the back pattern and sleeve pattern is cut and ready, the shoulder seam of the front and back is stitched together, the sleeve is stitched together, and then the side seam is stitched to complete the pattern. This is how I styled and wore the dress. Do let me know by commenting down below how you would. And also, do let me know if you have any issues about the pattern details. Thanks for watching. Bye.